So, dito na kami ngayon sa aming hotel. Doon kami nakatuloy. At napakaganda ng kanilang hotel. Nasa totoo lang, kahit hindi ka na lumabas, dito pa lang, ayos na ayos na. Very peaceful. Kaya nga dumating kami, parang ayaw ko nang lumabas eh. Look at that, guys. Meron tayong magandang swimming pool dito. Oh. From the pool, ito yung nasa lobby. Ito yung makikita mo dito. I drive? Okay.
Leeward, forward. Okay?
Okay?
Yeah. Ay.
Forward?
No,
Okay.
Forward.
Okay, okay. Now I know, now I know. Ako mag-drive. Okay. 1 hour, 300 ba? Passenger, passenger. Come. Palice. You put your drink there. Let's go.
Left.
Okay, we're going to enter here. We're now here at the sanctuary in Thailand. This is the one of the historical place. Do you know that this water is made by the holy monk?
Hello,
Hey! Oh! Solid, oh. Mas natulin yung kanila. Sagad yung tapa ko, ayaw umabot, oh.